High cortisol symptoms. Elevated cortisol levels, over the long term, can have harmful effects on both physical and mental health. Let's look at the signs that can help identify this imbalance. 1. Increased fat, especially in the abdominal area. One possible effect of high cortisol levels is an increase in body fat, particularly concentrated in the abdominal area. In some cases, chronic exposure to stress alters metabolism, causing the body to store more fat in the abdominal region as an adaptive response. Even without an increase in calorie intake, the body tends to preserve energy reserves in the form of visceral fat to protect vital organs. 2. Constant fatigue. Cortisol inhibits the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep, making it difficult to fall asleep or wake up feeling rested. High levels of the stress hormone can negatively affect deep and REM sleep phases, making rest less restorative. As a result, even those who get enough sleep may wake up feeling exhausted, experiencing physical and mental fatigue that impacts their ability to perform daily activities effectively. 3. Mood swings and anxiety. Cortisol is known for its impact on mood. High levels can lead to increased irritability, anxiety, and in some cases, depressive symptoms. This effect is due to its interaction with brain neurotransmitters, including serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood. Over time, this constant activation of the central nervous system can deplete emotional resources and reduce resilience to stress. Relaxation techniques such as meditation and deep breathing, or seeking professional support, are often helpful in managing these emotions. 4. Weakened immune system. Cortisol is an anti-inflammatory hormone, but elevated levels can compromise the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections. With the immune system under stress, natural defenses weaken, increasing the risk of respiratory infections and slowing down wound healing. In the long run, excess cortisol can reduce white blood cell production and inhibit other immune cells, diminishing the body's ability to fight pathogens. Strengthening the immune system with foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants can help counter these vulnerabilities. 5. High blood pressure and cardiovascular risk. Under chronic stress, cortisol can contribute to increased blood pressure and a higher risk of heart disease due to its possible vasoconstrictive effect. Additionally, the presence of this hormone raises the risk of accumulating bad cholesterol, a factor that further worsens cardiovascular health. To protect the heart, it is beneficial to follow a balanced diet, engage in moderate physical activity, and practice stress management techniques. 6. Skin problems. High cortisol levels can cause dermatological issues such as acne or make the skin drier and more sensitive. This happens because the hormone alters the function of sebaceous glands and reduces collagen synthesis, making the skin less elastic and more prone to irritation. Maintaining good hydration, using gentle skincare products, and managing stress can help reduce its impact on the skin. 7. Muscle weakness and joint pain. Over time, high cortisol levels can lead to muscle loss, resulting in weakness and, in some cases, joint pain. To produce energy, the hormone breaks down proteins in the muscles, a process that, over time, erodes muscle tissue and reduces physical strength. For those suffering from chronic high cortisol, following a protein-rich diet and engaging in muscle strengthening exercises can be beneficial. Diet and exercise can help preserve muscle mass and counteract, at least in part, the hormone's effects on the musculoskeletal system. 8. Difficulty concentrating and memory problems. Cortisol also affects memory and concentration, leading to a feeling of mental fog and reduced mental clarity. Over time, high levels of the stress hormone can alter the functions of the hippocampus, a key brain area for memory and learning. This mental confusion can be particularly frustrating, as it reduces productivity and complicates daily activities. To improve focus, it can be helpful to structure daily routines with regular breaks to better manage stress and regain energy. 9. Reduced libido. High cortisol levels can inhibit the production of other essential hormones, including those related to sexual desire, leading to a decreased libido. This effect occurs because the hormone interferes with the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal axis, reducing the production of sex hormones. Elevated cortisol levels signal a survival priority in the body, temporarily suppressing sexual function to focus on stress factors. Stress management techniques such as meditation, along with an active social and emotional life, can help restore hormonal balance. 10. Difficulty digesting. High cortisol levels can affect the production of digestive enzymes, slowing down motility and increasing the risk of gastrointestinal disorders. Under prolonged stress, the body prioritizes other vital functions, slowing digestion, which can lead to bloating, cramps, and frequent acid reflux. Several studies suggest that practices such as yoga and mindfulness can often help manage these symptoms. 11. Excessive sweating. Cortisol production is linked to the body's fight or flight response, which, under stress, activates the sympathetic nervous system and sweat glands. When this hormone is in excess, it can increase sweating even at rest, making individuals more sensitive to temperature changes and emotional stimuli. 12. Headaches and muscle tension. Under stress, muscles tense up, particularly in the neck and shoulders, which can lead to headaches, migraines, and generalized pain. Daily stretching exercises or self-massage techniques can be helpful in relieving pain and tension. Monitoring and recognizing these symptoms related to high cortisol is crucial to preventing long-term damage and improving life's quality. Now, if you enjoyed the video and want to support the project, leave a comment, subscribe, or give us a super thanks. Your contribution will help us create new content.